Now I will explain the second graph. It's the stem graph. First is import the matplotlib plot as plt. To import this library to create the various type of plot and visualization. Second is import numpy as mp is the numerical computation and array manipulation, and this is plt.style.use and pl gallery is used to design the specific set of formatting options such as the line style and the color. Next one is x equal to 0.5. This one is let the data at the middle of the boxes like this. And the x data is the same, and the y data, this is the y data. Then is the fig ax equals to plt subplot. This is the fig is the content that hold anything. The ax is a specific axis, the plot area at the graph. Next is ax.stem. This means this graph is a stem type, and put the x and y, the position, the data. Next is the set. This is used to draw the graph, how many boxes at the x-axis and y-axis, and number it from 1 to 8 at x-axis and y-axis. Then that is plt.show is show the output of the graph. That's all for the graph 2.